So, why didn't my 30-year roof last as long as promised? Hi, I'm Jeremy. I'm the lead service foreman here at Van Martin Roofing. So if you've ever bought a 30-year roof and found yourself replacing it after 15 to 20 years, you're not alone. A lot of people ask why that happens. So let's break it down for you. This is actually one of the most common and honestly most frustrating questions we get. When you buy a 30-year roof, you naturally expect it to last 30 years. But here's the reality. That 30-year label assumes perfect conditions, perfect insulation, and perfect ventilation, and perfect weather. And if you live here in Ohio, well, we don't exactly get that perfect. So let's talk about what really shortens a roof's lifespan. One is poor ventilation. Your roof and attic have to breathe, and hot air and moisture can escape. The attic can reach 140 degrees Fahrenheit or more on a summer day. That trapped heat breaks your shingles from underneath, drying them out and making them brittle. And also it causes condensation in winter, which leads to mold, wood, rot over time. Two is extreme weather. The freeze-thaw cycles we get, warm one day, freezing the next, make shingles expand and contract, loosening the seal and letting water get in. And you add hail, heavy rain, and strong wind, it is easy to see how even the good shingle can wear down faster than advertised. Three is workmanship and installation quality. Even the best materials can fail early if they're not installed correctly. Things like improper nailing, skipped underlayment, poor flashing details around vents and chimneys all lead to leaks before the material itself wears out. Four is shingle quality and system design. A 30-year roof label does not guarantee performance. It's based on testing, not real-world conditions. And if the roof wasn't installed as a complete system, meaning shingles, underlayment, flashing, and ventilation all working together, it won't perform as long as it could. Five is environmental factors. Trees that hang over the roof, consistent shade, and trap moisture cause moss and algae to grow. That slowly eats away at the shingles and traps water, shortening the roof's lifespan and even more. So if your 30-year roof only lasts 15 or 20 years, it doesn't necessarily mean you were sold bad shingles. It usually is just a combination of environment, workmanship, and maintenance. At Van Martin, our approach is different. We don't just install shingles, we build a complete roof system designed to handle Ohio's climate. That includes balanced attic ventilation, high quality underlayment, and manufacturer certified installation methods to make sure that you actually get the lifespan you pay for. When we say lifetime protection, we don't mean just the product, we mean the system. If your roof didn't last as long as it should, or you're seeing early signs of wear, click the link in our bio to schedule a free inspection. We'll show you exactly what's going on and how to make your next roof the last one you'll need.